Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on two special line graphs. In the last video we saw how to graph lines on a number plane. In this video we will look at two special types of lines that also appear on the number plane. Consider the following equation: x equals 4. When there is only one variable in the equation, in this case the x, the line is parallel to one of the axes. In this case, the line x equals 4 is parallel to the y-axis. So here is the number plane. We have the x-axis here and the y-axis. And this is the line x equals 4. The reason that this is the equation for this particular line is this. If you start here at the origin and you move 4 places to the right, you move 4 places to the right, you land on the number 4. If you start here, you move 4 places to the right, you land on the number 4. If you start here and move over here to the right, you land on the number 4. So no matter where you start from on the y-axis and you move to the right 4 places, you will land on the line. So we can see that x equals 4 is parallel to the y-axis. That is, it's the same distance from the y-axis at any point. So this line is 4 units away from the x-axis for all values of x. Now consider the equation y equals 4. When there is only one variable in the equation, in this case the y, the line is parallel to one of the axes. In this case, the line y equals 4 is parallel to the x-axis. So there is the line y equals 4, and you can see no matter what point you start from on the x-axis and you travel in that direction, each of those points is 4 units away from the x-axis. And that's why the equation of the line is y equals 4. We can see that y equals 4 is parallel to the x-axis. This line is 4 units away from the x-axis for all values of x. That means whatever x value you pick and you travel towards the line in a vertical direction, it's 4 units. So here is now a general statement. So we've got two general statements. The line x equals a is parallel to the y-axis and it is situated a units from the y-axis. The line y equals b is parallel to the x-axis and it is situated at b units from the x-axis. So this video has looked at two very special lines on the number plane, lines that are parallel to the y-axis and those that are parallel to the x-axis. And the general formula is x equals a gives you lines parallel to the y-axis, and y equals b gives you lines parallel to the x-axis.